Hi, Dr. Martha Thurl, physical therapist. I treat a lot of jaw pain, and one of the things that I see often is that people have pain with yawning. A quick thing that you can try for this to see if it helps you is actually sticking your tongue to the roof of your mouth as you open to yawn. So what that looks like is that you stick your tongue to the roof of your mouth and then hold it there as you open and yawn. This limits how much your mouth can actually open, which can in turn cause less pain with yawning. So the next time that you need to yawn, put that tongue to the roof of your mouth, see if that helps your pain. Thanks very much for listening.